In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code to share a location on Google Maps. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Google Maps and then select your current location. So you can set it into your current location or select a location where you want to meet up the specific individual. So for example, this location, I'll simply click on that and then click on the share button which you'll find here. Click on this and then you'll be able to find this link. So click on copy link to copy the link and then head over into the app that you want to use to generate the QR code. So for me, I want to use Adobe Express, so I'll simply search for QR code into the search bar and then I'll be able to find this generate QR code option. In here, I'll need to place the link of my current location and then I'll be able to select the color of the QR code along with the style of the dots, marker border, and marker center. Now, if this location is actually the location of your shop and the aim of this QR code is to share it on your different social media platform, you can go ahead and use the templates available here to be able to incorporate the QR code immediately into a style that you prefer. That's basically how you can create a QR code to share a location on Google Maps.